Are you looking for a profitable, fast-growing business opportunity? Becoming a Fendeck Fabricator can be a lucrative business opportunity, as PVC fencing is a popular choice for residential and commercial properties due to its low maintenance, durability, and attractive appearance. Fendeck Rail is a leading supplier of PVC fencing with over 20 years of experience in the industry. We are offering individuals or companies a unique business opportunity to enter the fast-growing market of maintenance-free PVC fencing solutions. Fendeck PVC Fencing presents a cutting-edge solution that merges durability, aesthetics, and ease of installation. PVC fencing is the perfect product for coastal conditions because it doesn't rot, corrode, or oxidize, and it's warranted for 30 years. A diverse range of styles and designs allows us to cater to various customer preference. Operate under your own entity while leveraging Fendeck's proven expertise, branding, and product range. You will be required to make a once-off investment for custom machinery and tooling, on-site training, and fabrication guides. There are no monthly royalties or franchise fees. You will also have access to technical support and advice. And your company will be listed on the PVC Building Products website. You will buy material at a wholesale price from Fendeck. Fendeck will then deliver the material to your premises, so you will not be required to hold large amounts of stock. South Africa presents a rapidly growing market for innovation in building materials and maintenance-free solutions, and our aim is to establish a strong presence in South Africa by leveraging the skills of individuals and local companies. We're looking for fabricators and installers around South Africa. People with the skills, work ethic, and vision to grow with us. If you have basic construction or carpentry experience, a workshop space, and the drive to succeed, we would love to talk to you. Contact us by sending us an email or WhatsApp so we can discuss the opportunities available.